Welcome to Modelus Graphic User Interface Designer interaction video. Graphic User Interface Designer is another useful tool extending Modelus Suite tool portfolio. By using Graphic User Interface Designer, you will be able to create simple as well as complex and realistic looking forms of graphic user interface. Your design proposals could be saved into a local drive for possible future modifications or exported into a picture that could be used as part of your documentation or presented as output to your customer. You can save multiple pictures for one form, capturing this form in different state of action. Modelus Graphic User Interface Designer is available for free of charge for both commercial and non-commercial usage. Now I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to design form in the Graphic User Interface Designer. Start New Form Design by clicking on the button here. New form will appear in the design area, and on the right side there is a tree view which shows structure of design form. Under the tree view there is a property panel which shows properties to be modified of selected element or selected component in the tree view, or selected by clicking on the component on the design area. Now change title of form to login and name to login form. Continue with designing on the topmost panel called Based Panel. Based Panel can't be modified and can't be removed. This is type of simple panel, and only simple panel can have layout manager. My login dialog will contain two panels, one for buttons and the second one for other controls like labels and text fields. So I will place another simple panel on base panel. By default it's set to center position of the border layout manager. Now I need to move it to the south position because I intended to place buttons on these panels. This panel will be named buttons panel. Set its height to 20, and you can see that it's moved to south position. Another panel for controls like labels and text fields for login will be placed here in this panel, but on the fixed position. Means that I have to change border manager of this panel to fixed layout manager, which doesn't affect components position. Now I can place label for login, name, and label for password on the fixed position of this panel, like this, for example. Change label to password. Select text field for login name and text field for password, and place it on the panel. Change width of this component to 200 pixels. Okay, now I'm going to put simple buttons for OK and cancel actions. I would like to align them to the center of the panel. Because of it, I will change border manager to flow manager. Set direction of flow manager to center and set up top and bottom padding to 2, for example, and horizontal space between buttons to 2 pixels. Place one button for OK operation or action, second one for cancel. Change label of button component to cancel and OK. So now my login dialog is almost finished. Show it. Okay. So I would like to change its background color to gray. Select component and change it background. So it's gray. Preview. It looks quite good. Close. Now you have to save it to a file. By clicking on the save button, confirm saving. Now you can create a picture from designed form. It is possible to do only from preview dialog. Create picture, press on button, create picture, and save picture to directory.